Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials, 8 to 10 sticky notes and a steady surface. Take 2 notes and fold each lengthwise to form a firm spine. This increases rigidity and alignment. Once folded, fold the short ends toward that spine to make 1/2-inch tabs. Those tabs lock pieces later. Make several identical folded strips now. Consistency matters because uneven thickness breaks the star. Keep adhesive edges alternating so tabs will stick to the next strip when you start assembling. Now assemble. Take one folded module and insert its tab into the pocket of the previous module at a slight angle so the tab slides in easily. Fold that tab flat, press the adhesive firmly, and continue, adding modules one by one until you form a ring or half ring. Once you have several connected, make sure seams are flush. Press each layered joint to lock adhesive into the paper fibers. This weaving creates the interlocking structure that gives the Ninja star its stability. Finish by tucking the last tab into the first module's pocket and pressing hard to close the loop. This completes the star's structural circuit. Lay the closed ring flat and carefully fan the points outward so each arm is even and the star balances. If a seam feels loose, add a small dot of adhesive under the flap or swap that module for a sturdier folded note. Making one corrected module is faster than rebuilding the whole star and preserves shape and strength.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.